the special doggy shampoo. You smell like kibble and mud. I like it.
Thanks. It's my own scent. I call it Whispers of Rolly.
Rolly.
You like your new home so far?
Like it? I love it. I love Chloe. And I love my new brother, KG. I love everything about my new home. I love the pink front door, and that middle thingy at the tippy top of our roof. And I love my new neighbors. You!
Hey, what was that for?
It's my favorite game, Puppy Pounds. Here's how you play. You're a puppy, and you pounce.
I think I get it. My turn. Puppy Pounds. Hey, Hessie. This is Kia. Hessie's our kitty sister.
Hi, Hessie. Wanna play? Whoa! You're the best jumper ever!
I like her. Us too. She's your new best friend.
We got a new best friend, gonna tell you all about her. Her name is Kia. Her name is Kia.
And we all can't wait to have some fun together.
Her name is Kia. It's nice to meet you. She's about this tall,
And she lives next door.
and I guess that's kind of all we know about her. Her name is Kia. Her name is Kia. We got a new best friend.
Bingo, I don't think we know enough about Kia to sing a whole song about her all by ourselves.
You're right, Rolly. Let's see if Kia wants to help. Kia, would you maybe?
Let's help her sing the song. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay, let's go.
Her favorite color is
Rainbows.
Her favorite song is
Anything loud.
Her favorite game is
Pouncing on my buddies and barking and running and rolling around.
We got a new best friend, gonna tell you all about her. Her name is Kia. Her name is Kia.
And we all can't wait to have some fun together.
Her name is Kia. It's nice to meet you.
That's me.
Bingo, Rolly, Hissy, breakfast.
You want to come too? I'll share my breakfast with you.
Thanks. But this grass isn't going to roll in itself.
Oh, I so get that. We'll be right back.